Okay, so continuing on from our last video, I'm going to show you where you can find everything in the directory. So starting off with the front end, let's say you want to change some things up in the front end. You will go to the construction app right here. You go to the static folder, and inside the static folder you will find the CSS, all the CSS, the images, the JavaScript for the Bootstrap, and I have included the jQuery, so you don't have to worry about installing that. Web fonts. So that's for the front end. Also for the front end, Django has this template system. So in your template folder, this is where your template is going to get rendered from. So you have your base HTML, include some partials for the footer, nav bar, and top bar. This is the pages. So this is the home page. This is the about page. So there's different types of listings. There's all of the listings. There's a singular listing. This is the one where you can make an inquiry, which we have gone over. This is the search HTML for the search bar, and this is just the admin side. You can change up the admin HTML here as well. Okay, in the next video, I'll go over the backend stuff.